Alright, I just added about a quart and a quarter or so of transmission fluid. The oil pressure shows low. I haven't changed the oil, haven't touched the oil. I'm worrying more about the transmission currently until I fix that issue, and then I'm gonna do the oil change and all that. But I know it's got oil in it. It's a little dark. I don't know how many miles are on it. It is what it is. But I just wanted to make this quick video because the other day, or yesterday, I was talking about I hear a hissing sound like vacuum open somewhere, and I just found it looking further in here and whatnot, just touching stuff, and it looks like it's the gasket on the intake runner. I'll show you if I can. Put this light down here real quick, and right there, I no longer hear the hissing sound. And then if I kind of like wipe the dirt away, oh wow, there's a good amount of dirt on there. But yeah, like right in that corner is where it was. So I don't know if this wasn't torqued down properly or what it might be, but right there is where the hissing sound was. And I don't know, I guess shoving dirt in there just kind of sealed it a little bit better, but that wouldn't last for long, really. So yeah, that's what that said.